Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you why we always recommend to have a remote starter installed by professional, or at least by people who will do the job correctly and not just give you the best price. So we're going to show you a case in here. This is a Honda Civic. Someone installed a remote starter. In this case it's a company called Auto Start, but it could be any brand, doesn't matter. And we see that a lot. The installers are doing quite a bit of shortcuts. In this case, the installer did not use tachometer. Tachometer is basically the way that the remote starter reads the engine and prevents from over cranking. So when it knows that the engine is running, it starts and it stops cranking. But in this case, the installer did a very lazy job. Didn't decide to program it, didn't decide to do it. So what happens is, when you try to start the vehicle, the cranking just keep on going crazy. Now, it might stop at some point, but you will not know, you will not hear it until you go outside when you're doing the remote starter. Now, it could be that during the installation, the installer did do what we call tachless. So he did it tachless here, and it could be that during the installation it was working fine. The thing is, this vehicle battery was changed, a few things got reset, and now the system doesn't know to read it correctly because there's no reading, it's just trying to guess. If it was installed with actual tach wire, you wouldn't have that issue because that doesn't change. When it's tachless, it's a system kind of guessing when the vehicle is running. Could be that the voltage of the battery is a bit low, so it doesn't know that the voltage is on, because if it's set for voltage. The safest way is to do it by tachometer. For proper installation, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.